In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So at first, open the phone dialer, tap on more icon and click on settings. Here locate and open voicemail, and now tap on notifications. And here smoothly click on sound, choose music or any other app that you would like to pick the sound from. Actually, I do not have any of them here. Maybe here. Still empty. So let me just pick ringtones. So once you pick the folder in which you've got the sound that you want to apply, smoothly mark on it and tap on apply, click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.